Do you know what your family gifts are? I'm not talking about the dreadful negative gifts that the famous psychiatrist Alice Miller delineated in her wonderful book, The Dream of the Gifted Child. I'm talking about the positive gifts. My paternal grandfather was a rabbi, and he was known as the man who could speak about anything. My father was an actor in his university days. My grandmother was a host to a weekly clatch of women in the living room. It was my privilege to sit underneath their skirts and eat cookies and listen to them talk. All of my family was always talking around the dining room table, not only on Sundays and special occasions, but every single night after work. So here are some of the vocations that I've pursued, some for money, some for a lot of money, some for not much money, some as a volunteer. I've been a salesman, an actor, a teacher, a writer, a therapist, a broadcaster, an advertising executive. In short, what I am is a storyteller. I know that all good radio shows, movies, musicals, novels, poems, lectures have a beginning, a middle, and an end. The beginning has to grab you. Grab the audience quickly by the throat. The end is a power out, and the middle is all the rich details, the stories within stories. But it's not enough to know that you have this ability. The next challenge is to figure out how to use it for good. You could sell drugs, or you could sell bad stocks, and how would that honor the family that gave you this gift? The family remembers the seat of all love and hate, all memories, tortuous and beautiful. What did your family really give you, and what should you do with this? Here's your pickle. Take a piece of paper, right at the top, my family's gift to me. See where this leads you. Be brave, generous, and forgiving.